One of the most popular smartphone in this world is iPhone, but every iPhone is not same. There is a difference in which country is made and what variant you're buying. With the launch of the new iPhone 17 series, the difference has become more significant. With iPhone 17 series, Apple took a big step forward by removing the SIM card slot in majority of countries. But do you know that iPhone 17 Pro Max also comes in dual physical SIM version? Yes, it does. In this video, I'll be answering all your questions about this topic and give you my honest opinion that which country iPhone you should buy. Please watch the video till the end so you don't miss out on any information. Let's start with the basics. Any iPhone which is unlocked can be used with any SIM card around the world without any issues. But there are some differences we must know before buying. And that's why the prices are also different for a Japanese iPhone 17 Pro Max or local iPhone 17 Pro Max and a Chinese iPhone 17 Pro Max with a physical dual SIM card in the local market. Now, how do you identify iPhone version and know which country or region it belongs to? Go to iPhone settings, go to General, About. You will see the model number here. It could start from M for the new device, N for the replacement device, F for refurbished device, or P for personalized iPhone. Sometimes it can also start from letter 3 for the demo devices used in the shops. But for this video, we will look for the last 2 letters or the last 3 letters, which signifies the iPhone's country or region. For example, I live in UAE and the iPhone 17 Pro Max TDRA version or UAE version starts from H/A. When you tap on it will also give you a digital model number which is A3525. So this series of iPhones are made for UAE or United Arab Emirates. And similarly for the US version, the last digit is LL. I will attach the chart in the description so you can find out which country of iPhone you are carrying. And also you can easily type in Google with the model number and you will get the answer. Now coming back to the main topic of this video, which iPhone 17 Pro series you should buy and what are the main differences. So before I start with the differences, let me first clarify the similarities. They all have the same build quality, they all have same camera, they all have same RAM, they all have the same performance, and in general they all look the same. Now let's talk about the differences. One of the major differences with iPhone 17 Pro Max is that now the battery sizes are different in different regions. iPhone 17 Pro Max supports only eSIM in these countries or regions listed below. And because of the eSIM card and no physical SIM card slot, the battery size of these iPhones are 5088 mAh. So if you are living in one of these countries, you will get the iPhones with eSIM where you can use 2 active eSIM but no physical SIM card. If you are living in Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, South Korea, Hong Kong, and the list below, iPhone 17 Pro Max battery size will be 4823 mAh because of the physical SIM card slot in these countries. The physical SIM card slot will take some space which Apple has to deduct from the battery size. You can either use dual eSIM or one physical nano SIM and one eSIM together, like a hybrid SIM card. There is only one country, mainland China. If you buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max, you will get a dual nano physical SIM card with a battery capacity of 4823 mAh, which is similar to UK or Hong Kong version. eSIM is the biggest change in this year because I feel it's the beginning of a new era. And looks like in the near future, all the iPhones will come with only eSIM card. But for a lot of users and travelers, it can be a big hindrance who often change their SIM cards and is still not used to eSIM functionality. I live in UAE and the TDRA version or the UAE version iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with eSIM and a bigger battery size. In the local market, we do get iPhone 17 Pro Max, different variant like USA, Hong Kong, Japanese, and the physical SIM card iPhones are sold on a higher price at the moment. But definitely it looks like that the next iPhone 18 series will only have eSIM functionality. So if you're buying an iPhone 17 Pro Max, you must know this information. This year there is also one exception, iPhone Air. In any country you go in the world, it is only eSIM version, including China. And that's why Apple is struggling to sell iPhone Air in China, because people are not used to it. Well, if you thought eSIM is the only difference when you're buying a new iPhone between different region or countries, hold on, as there is also a bigger difference, network bands. Now let's talk about network bands. I believe you should always buy iPhone belongs to your region or your country. In that way, you are secured about all the compatible network bands, as it is made for that particular region, and you will have seamless 4G or 5G reception. For example, if you live in USA and you are buying an iPhone Hong Kong model because it has physical SIM card, you will lose out on 3 major 5G network bands and 1 4G LTE band, because in the Hong Kong variant you will not have N14 band, N29 band and N73 5G network band. Also, LTE or 4G 71 band 600 MHz is not available. It will also not have 3 more additional bands which US variant has, which is N258 band, N260 band and N261 band. Now why is this important? This will definitely impact when you're using a Hong Kong version in USA, as you will not get 5G connectivity in a lot of areas, and also in some areas you will struggle to get 4G LTE connectivity. In a similar way, if you live in Hong Kong and you're buying a Chinese variant because of dual physical SIM card functionality from a local retailer, Chinese iPhone 17 Pro Max will not have N53 5G network band. Similarly, people who are living in UAE, a lot of people they opt for Hong Kong or UK or even Indian variant because they are used to physical SIM card. So when you buy these variants, you will miss out on 5G N14 band and N29 band and also 4G LTE 71 band. And the irony is that the physical SIM card iPhones are priced even higher, and people are paying more because people are used to physical SIM card slot. A lot of people they buy iPhones are ignorant of this fact and often complain about network issues on iPhones, but they never realize what is the exact reason. My recommendation is always buy iPhone of your local country variant or your region variant because it will be compatible with all the network bands. But yes, if you're okay with eSIM, you can buy the iPhone US variant as it covers all the network bands available in your region and also some additional bands. So guys, this was my complete guide of buying the new iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro series. If you have any questions, please do write me in the comments below and I will make sure to reply you all. Share this video with your friends and family so they will also understand the difference. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.